Now, to extract certificate from the host server, from the top level menu of Virtual Appliance Console, select Configure, Custom File Management. On the Custom File Management tab, click on All Files, Certificates, and select the certificate, that is server.arm, and download the file. It will ask for save the file. The file is now downloaded successfully. Next step is to import the certificate into our target server, which is 108 in our case. Now to import the certificate, click on Configure, Manage SSL Certificate, Directory Server. Click on New. It will ask for certificate name. Enter a certificate name. And then browse for the file. It will ask for key store password. Enter key store password as server. Click on Save Configuration. As we can see, the system notification tells us that certificate is imported successfully. Restart the directory server for changes to take effect. Let us restart the directory server. It will take some time. Now we repeat the same process, but this time we'll extract certificate from 108 server and add it to 169 server. We'll download the server.arm file, save it. After exporting the certificate from the server, we'll now import the certificate.